Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to claim the Hamster Kombat daily cipher for today. Today's date is 3rd September 2024. The Morse code for today is deposit. To get this Morse code, you click on daily cipher. So when you click on it, you see this interface to appear like this. So when it appears like this, you get the first letter. The first letter is D. To get this D, you do 1 dash and 2 dots. When you do it, you wait for a while, and then you do the next letter, so it will interfere with the previous one. For the E, you do 1 dot. For the P, you do 1 dot, 2 dashes and another dot. Deposit, remember. We'll have to start again. Okay, let's get the E. For the P, 1 dot, 2 dashes and another dot. Then for the O, do 3 dashes. For the S, do 3 dots. So for the I, the S is 3 dots, the I is 2 dots, 1, 2. Then the last letter, which is T, is just 1 dash. So you go ahead to click on here, take the prize. That's it for today's video, guys. Please like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.